This walking tour begins at the lively square of Plaça de la Sagrada Familia, right across from one of the most extraordinary churches in the world, the breathtaking Basílica de la Sagrada Familia. From this plaza, you immediately get an incredible first view of the Basilica's towering spires and intricate facades rising above the city skyline. Construction of this masterpiece began in 1882, but it is most famously associated with the visionary architect Antoni Gaudí, who transformed the project into a unique blend of Gothic and Art Nouveau design inspired by nature. Today, the Sagrada Familia is still under construction and is expected to be completed in the coming years, more than a century after Gaudí dedicated the final years of his life to it. Visitors can expect stunning architectural details both outside and inside, colorful stained glass windows that fill the basilica with light, and multiple facades that tell stories from the life of Christ. If you plan to visit the basilica, it's best to purchase tickets in advance online to avoid long lines, especially during peak tourist seasons. The church is easily accessible by public transportation using the Barcelona Metro, with lines L2 and L5 stopping at Sagrada Familia station just steps from the entrance. Many visitors also choose to climb one of the towers for sweeping views of Barcelona, or explore the museum located beneath the basilica, where you can learn more about Gaudí's original models and the ongoing construction of this UNESCO World Heritage masterpiece. From the Basilica, our walk continues through the vibrant streets of Barcelona, giving you a glimpse of everyday life in this historic Mediterranean city. As we make our way through neighborhoods and bustling avenues, you'll notice the city's distinctive architecture. Balconies decorated with plants, local cafes, bakeries, and small shops lining the streets. Barcelona's streets are known for their energy and character, where centuries-old buildings stand alongside modern storefronts and lively plazas filled with locals and visitors alike. Our walk eventually leads us into the historic heart of the city toward the magnificent Barcelona Cathedral, also known as the Cathedral of the Holy Cross and Saint Eulalia. Located in the Gothic Quarter, this cathedral dates back to the 13th century and is a beautiful example of Catalan Gothic architecture. Dedicated to Saint Eulalia, one of Barcelona's patron saints, the cathedral features towering spires, an ornate facade, and a peaceful cloister courtyard that is famously home to 13 white geese, symbolizing the age of Saint Eulalia when she was martyred. Visitors to the cathedral can explore its impressive interior filled with chapels, detailed carvings, and religious artwork. There's also access to the rooftop terraces, where you can enjoy panoramic views over the Gothic Quarter and the surrounding city. The cathedral is located in the historic district of Barri Gòtic and can be reached easily on foot from many parts of central Barcelona, or by taking the metro to nearby stations such as Jam I or Urquinaona. In this video, we'll take a relaxing walking journey through Barcelona, starting from the iconic Sagrada Familia and ending at the historic Barcelona Cathedral, while experiencing the atmosphere, architecture, and everyday rhythm of the city's beautiful streets along the way. Join me as we explore one of Europe's most fascinating cities, step by step.
coche.
Thank you for joining me on this walking tour through the beautiful streets of Barcelona, from Plaça de la Sagrada Familia and the incredible Basílica de la Sagrada Familia, all the way to the historic Barcelona Cathedral in the heart of the Gothic Quarter. I hope you enjoyed exploring the sights, architecture, and atmosphere of this amazing city with me. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along for more walking tours from destinations around the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next walk.